Hello everyone, it's Yulia Fior. Welcome to my channel, and today we will do together this Marcel wave with with electronic device, modern one, not a foam rollers or night blah blah. We don't always have a time, so you can use just this regular one, hairspray, brush, bobby pins, and a little bit of your time. Let's start. So I have just a straight hair. I think third day after washing. It will be easier to make a hairstyle on that base. I'm separating a part which will become a wave in the future, and we will curl it with our iron. Or the other hair we don't need for a long time, so I just fix it with duckbill clips, always helping me in hairstyles, and we will need a lot of them to make a wave. But before, we of course will curl this part. I'm separating the pieces. It will be 3 layers and 2 curls per layer, actually as in a standard scheme for using foam rollers. You can use to fix these curls, you can use a little duckbill clips or just regular bobby pins. I'll use bobby pins because I don't have enough these little ones, but that ones are better, to be honest. So I'm brushing a part which will be curled at the moment and curling it. You can see that it's really holding because on my hair was a lot of products already. It's not fresh, it's with the hairspray already. That's why it's easier. So maybe if it will be as fresh hair, you need to use some setting spray on or something like this. I'm not really strong in these products. I'm almost not using nothing, just maybe gel from time to time for Victor rolls and the hairspray. That's all. Okay, so I'm doing all these manipulations with all other hair. It's 4 layers, sorry, not 3, 4. Changing up a dress. After this, I'm removing all bobby pins and just brushing all the hair. And this is a time for the creation and for duckbill clips. Actually, you are following your wave. You will see how it will lay, and it's don't need to be difficult. It's actually already visible. But anyway, even me, you see, I'm a few times changing positions and everything to create more beautiful wave. Then I started to covering with the hairspray. I'm using this one, Red Can 32, but also got the yellow one from Schwarzkopf. And while it's drying, I'm holding with a hand as well. And while it's drying again, before removing duckbill clips, I'm doing bun, but you can do a French twist, anything you like. A little bit makeup and accessories, and it's time to remove our duckbill clips. It's a little bit can be difficult because it's a lot of hairspray on them, so hold your wave. And actually it's done. We'll add some accessories again to complete the look, and it's ready. So it's really pretty easy and pretty fast. Hope you enjoyed this video and will try. I will be very happy to see if you will share your results in any social media and tag me. I'm always happy to see them, that you are using my tutorial, not only watch. Follow me on social media, follow me here. Don't forget to like this video and have an amazing day.